We're now at the ReStore in South Collin County, Plano, Texas, where we sell more doorknobs than any ReStore in the United States. And here we have Hayden, our doorknob king.
How are y'all today? I would like to take this time to stress the importance of having good doorknobs. If you don't have good doorknobs, you can't open your door. But not only do we have doorknobs, we have knobs and pulls. For any kind of drawer or shelf, anything you need them for. We sell more knobs and doorknobs here than Nebraska sells corn on the cob. Nebraska's got nothing on me.
There you have it. Mr. Hayden, the doorknob king at the ReStore, South Collin County, Plano, Texas, where we sell more doorknobs than any ReStore in the nation.